We're now going to show you how to add a new recipe or build a recipe on your TrustDish back office system. This is extremely handy for dishes that you're making up. For example, sandwiches or toasties or salads or dishes of the day. You can pull ingredients that you already use and make a recipe. So firstly, to add this new dish, you need to click on the green plus icon in the top right corner. Then press Add New Dish. I'm going to call this dish that I'm going to enter ham and cheese toasty. I'm then going to select the category that it will be in. So I'm going to say it's in my heat and eat range. Now this is the cool part, the recipe builder and live allergen analysis. So to add an ingredient, press Add Ingredient. So the first one I'm going to add is my sliced ham. So I know that this product code is 8M302. So you can see Deli Choice sliced ham comes up. I can also choose to just type in Deli Choice sliced ham and it will come up. If I press add, you can see it's pulled the information and no allergens have been detected. Now when I add my next ingredient, I'm going to say Bandon Vale sliced emmental cheese. So this product code is 730003. So you can see that comes up. But if I just type in you can see that it comes up. And when I press add, it's now pulled milk, one of the ingredients from it. I'm going to add my third item, which is my bread. And this supplier code is 2061. And this is Brennan's white catering pan. So you can see here, this is it. I'm going to add this one. And now all of the allergens are being pulled. So you can see there's my wheat, my milk, soya, and in my may contain, it says sesame, which has come from the bread. So the milk has come, the cheese, and the rest have come from the bread. You can also manually add these ingredients by pressing Add Manual Ingredient. So let's just say I want to put in sliced ham. I can add it. If I add another one, just like I did above, I'm going to do Bandon Vale sliced emmental cheese. I'm going to press add. To do this, I must put in my allergens. So I'm going to click on add allergen. And for my cheese, there's milk. So I'm going to add my milk. Press confirm. If there was a may contain in the item, I would press on may contain and press confirm, but there's not. So I'm going to press cancel. I will then add in my third ingredient, which is my white catering pan. Select my allergies, and then I'll also select the may contain, which is sesame. And I can then press confirm, but I am going to stick to my way above. So that's what you do if you're manually inserting, and then the allergens will come up on the side, but I'm not going to do that. So now I can double check. These are all the allergens that I've added, and this is the may contain from the above. And I can now press confirm and publish dish, and that will now be live for your customers to see. It's that simple.